Hello everyone. In this issue, we will complete the basic PWM control and wireless Bluetooth communication full-time projects. To build our clear learning about Lujin, we integrated the content into two interconnected parts. The stage of awarding and closing the award. First is R. The R section, LED breathing lights. Master PWM projects for selling chargers. Basic concepts of modulation. Next are the 8 points we'll explain later. She sections utilize our Bluetooth communication technology. Unlimited control of RGB color changes via mobile phone. Both projects have achieved great success on PWM-controlled Lujin machines. Now we move on to the first stage. First, let's look at the time phenomenon in measured RDR. After the program finishes running, our LED brightness is not simply a simple switch. Instead, the divine line delivers a smooth meeting effect. Measurement is measured from democratic construction to strengthen fragmentation volume. Then, he slowed down and dropped to the west side. Thus, they circled back and forth in a circular manner, simulating the rhythm of breathing. This effect is achieved precisely through PWM, selling the charging threshold modulation technology to achieve this. That is ours. The second stage controls the technical basis for GBA LED color. Now, I will explain our core international approach. Core components include ours, 11 light emitting dual tube, a line current group, R20, and our ESP30R development version. Our ESP30R development version has the following: GPI output capability via PWM. Then, our LED sends a thin sheet of air-level laptop passenger conditions. Signal. A void stroke refers to a high level within a cycle. The proportion of time spent fighting. When the war is empty, our LED news is 010. When the battle empty stroke is 010 ED, it reaches its brightest. Control the empty stroke between 0 and 255 through our program, corresponding to our 10% to 100的扇 to 100% to 100% of our rates. Gradually increase and achieve smoother brightness transitions. Our ESP30R supports silver at the PWM book. There are many here we choose from. Choose no, 26 silver for comparison. Next, I will guide everyone through the wiring process. The wiring this time is very simple. All you need is a luminous headphone tube and a 220R power unit, a breadboard, an ESP30R development board, and a 3-degree light machine buckle. First, connect our 11D into our breadbook, 中长征, rated above our power group phase years. Grade leveling. Assign us the quality of the points. ESP3 development version. Grounding. Connected by the 26 angle of our ESP3RR. Find our shadow corner. 26. After wiring, I will guide you through the story of Daima Luo. At the head of the horse, we can get 11 silver feet. The treasury position is 26. Among our 3 large box servings, we called this code Whichever setup you use, it's the dining area of our PWM channel. Bind the configured PWM channel to the GPU I/O cap angle. Our very tree with horses is in the development version. Only one time to complete the PWM function implementation configuration in our road cycle. Use our EF with G. Adjust our empty pen from level 0 to 255. 0 to 100% to 500. Each cycle updates our Zencong pen. He also said it was truly like our Wuxi Haomiao. Achieving it also requires a process of change that brightens the light from the darkness. The admission loop will execute infinitely. This creates the continuous breathing light effect we see. This PWM control logic is simple and efficient. Now let's upload the code. Let's look at 15. You can see the effect presented by our LED Luyuchi. Style demonstrated smooth breathing effects. Brightness alternates between bright and brightest levels.
Our ESP32 has already been successfully implemented using PWM technology.
Precise controller of LED brightness.
Our first phase is complete. Entering the second phase.
First, open our phone's Orchid Bird mode. Find our ESP32 RGB. Click to pair.
In my memory, click it and create an app between 1.23.
Online connection. Corresponds to 日巴尔斯 phenomenon is our impression of Nanyang through our phones. It can be controlled infinitely. GBA LED has emitted a single one.
Now we click the red button.
Upload. You can see the LED and the red one. Click the blue button. You can see the LED turned blue. This infinite control method can only be used as the core source of the lamp. Reason. In this phase, PWM control technology will be studied at ESP3's domestic company, combined with the domestic Bluetooth communication capabilities of ESP3.
Next, I will explain our principles. GVLED integrates the red, green, and blue technology chips that are also a topic chip.
As you can see, we have the longest audio tutorial here, which is our audio level audio instruction. Vacant and relocated.
ESP32 passes through 3 reads with TW including channels. Output different signals for the empty pen.
To our RGB LED red south counterpoint. Combine the empty notes of the condition 3 channels. Several mixed seal colors appear simultaneously. The ESP32 uses the built-in Lanyang module to receive our phones. Apply the color commands you send.
After analysis, update the corresponding PW Security Office assignment. I will continue to guide you through the final message section.
This time, we will use 3 220 EU electricity units. 1 GB also requires CD and a board wrap.
ESP32 development board and a few square wires.
Step 1. Insert our GB into the breadboard as well. The first silver corner connects to our electric building. Cut in with the same S32 shot. Seal no 215. The second 2 GB stamp. Connect the lower line. A spin 32 electric circle holy curtain. The third seal is 2 GB. Fourth. Sixth. Fourth. Sixth. Sixth. This time the connection goes to Chuan weaving. Next, I will explain the supporting components for everyone. Code. We also use a new library on our heads with docks. This library encapsulates the underlying protocol of ESP32 Bluetooth 双倾通信. After developing the Bluetooth function, GB send channels are defined as the corresponding channels.
GBIO angle of the
and created our Bluetooth creative object for emotion.
In our 3D app numbers,
In addition to configuring 3 PWM channels at the cam angle, the key is to bring the horse. We launched our Bluetooth service
and set the device name to our GB LED
and downloaded the app Renjia on my phone. In our 修改3 and new logic, it is divided into 2 parts. Part 1. Data reception judgment. Our report checks whether the flush exchange area of Nanya has any numbers from the first machine, according to if there is responsibility through us. The code count of chestnuts. Taking our individual self-convictions as the only option. Step 2. Part 2. Color analysis and PWM book. Judge the self-amplitude received by the drama. Falls from the area with an R-shaped weights. Set the PWM book initial to make the red channel weight. And his heart was close to tone. The fall is set as the law of point measurement and scale. If the drop width is B, the dot amount is blue. Before officially uploading the code,
I will explain another core topic.
See the matching app. We will use MapApp to turn it into a tool that can be realized and most realized. No need to write more complex application code. First, visit this website.
Use your Google account to log in.
Back to the website we landed on. Click on Project 菜单 and select Import Project. Pretend to import our AI files locally. Join and confirm.
After successful import, the interface automatically switches to the design attempt. On the purple component panel, you can see the meeting structure of the program.
In the Properties panel on the right, you can set appearance attributes such as the text before the group of construction, the text color, and the back. This meeting is our designer interface. Now, there are millions of logic designers in mind.
Our core mode modules use graphical entry into the market side process. All code is presented in flat chart format. Our quick section lets you customize features for your app's creative work.
You need to install the app on your phone. We need to click See label for purchase. Select Generate file. The system compiles and generates the installation package number. We can choose to download it on our computer
and protect it on our phone.
For the convenience of teaching, we recommend using your own mobile phone. Click microcode early to download and install the hard program.
After pressing the microcode on the phone earlier,
you can then enter the installation package page and click download. The code tape download is complete. We are starting to burn safety risks without incident. Return to our surroundings as soon as we finish. Find the Netgear we just downloaded. This is our phone's press control to meet the face.
After success, click the secret transmission to burn into our AMA.
After completing the dual setup, open the same one on your phone. Nanya control applications. We barely saw our Kawakuchi. It prompts us that connecting to the phone is difficult. You can see this. Click.
After connecting successfully,
First, click the red button to enter and you'll see it.
RGB LED positive color rendering.
Click Green Upload to see our RGB LED display in green. Click Blue. We also completed our synchronized color changes. If you want to print the correct double name in color, we press the same PWM control and application.
LuGG1 is working normally.
The soft printing system is fully functioning normally. The above is the complete implementation process of the ESP30R project. We started with TWM breathing in measure 2.2 and landed hands. It also protects the fundamental technology of brightness control. Then add measures by and 10. TWM control is combined with Bluetooth communication during the process.
I learned to create supporting applications using ITAPP, Internet for App Development.
Enables unlimited control over RGB LED color changes on the phone. Both projects progress step by step, forming a complete line from the foundation to the control of exit. Development path for Woolean.com applications. Thank you all for watching.